Hey guys, welcome back to Development. We're looking at the Lululook case for the Tab S7 Plus. It's also can be used for other Tab devices. This is a magnetic stand. We're going to open this up and I'm going to show you what it looks like. Let's check it out. There you go, that's super easy to put on and it feels really solid. Alright, you know what, let's go ahead and clean that screen up. Okay, so there we go, a much cleaner screen. This has a matte finish screen protector on it. So this is a very solid aluminum stand. It's perfect for the S7 Plus as well as the S8 and S8 Ultra. So you can see there's adjustment in the back for the vertical up and down angle, as well as if you want to change it horizontally, you can go ahead and do that as well. You can see the S Pen just fits perfectly in there. You can take that off. You want to just slap that back on there. Super perfect placement right there. Here's a quick view to how close the bottom touches. You can turn it like that. It's straight up and down. It's about a finger thickness right here. So you can spin that. What I love about this is right where it's connected, it actually looks off-centered when you don't have the tablet on there. But with this extra little space here, you can easily pull your tablet off, but it also makes it so it's centered on your tablet. So even though it doesn't look centered this way, it is centered from the left and right of your tablet. So if you do want to spin it in any direction, you always know that it's going to be in the same spot. Looking back around at the front, this is definitely a really great height if you want to be using this for a productivity tool. And when you want to take that off, it's pretty easy to just pull that off right there. So just another look of how you put that on. You can just line it up and it just slaps right on. Super simple and super reliable. This is a simple product, but it's definitely a high quality one. So all tablet stands, either you're going to find something that's magnetic like this, you're going to have something that has clamps like this, where you slide it in and close it like such, or you're going to have something that just has a shelf that the tablet or your phone sits on like this. The only problem that this faces is that the tablet could fall forward if you have it straight up and down, whereas with a magnet, you're going to be able to put this in any angle that you want and you're not going to have any problems. And then the one with this that has like the claw on each side, or maybe sometimes it's the claws on the corners, is you put your tablet on there, but then you have these big claws hanging off the edges. So it's really not great because if you're wanting to do stuff and slide down, these can get in the way. So I definitely prefer something that is flush with your tablet. And from the front, it just looks like a hovering tablet, something that you're not even going to notice that it's being held by anything. It's just sitting there, floating in the air. Looks really nice. So situating this on your desk, it's going to be perfect because you can have it right here. So you can slide it back just like that. So you have your keyboard and your mouse right there. It's going to be a perfect setup to have a portable little workstation that you can take wherever you want and be able to slap that on to use either as an extra monitor or as your tablet. I don't have a whole lot more to say about this product. I think it's just going to be a solid thing to use. It's definitely not cheap, coming in around $70 or $80 even, but it is very high quality. You get what you pay for in these products. I think just the fact that they were able to think of having both this angle and the up and down angle is going to make it very useful for you. So looking at this more closely, I think it's going to be a great product if it's something you want to have on your desk away from having your computer set up. You can also have your tablet right next to it with that setup. You can easily take it off and use it as a productivity device elsewhere, or when you're at your desk, you can just slap it right on there. You can be confident this is not going to get scratched sitting on your desk. It's going to be up high, away from anything that's going to scratch it. And it's a nice eye level that you can use and not have to worry about cranking your neck down as you're working. So again, to take it off, it's really simple. It's easiest, I think, to grab on the bottom right here, as well as right here on the side, and you're just gonna pull it off. And that's how simple it really is. Another key thing that I love about this is the texture that is on this right here. As you can see, it's this nice foam, and it goes all the way to the edge, so you're not gonna have to worry about scratching as you're pulling it on and off. So if you don't have a Galaxy Tab S7 Plus, that's okay. This can still work with the 8 and 8 Plus, as well as there is an Ultra version. There's also the iPad version of this, so whether you have the iPad or iPad Pro, you're gonna be able to slap that right on there. It won't have the hole here. It'll be designed specifically for your iPad. Same functionality, same color options. There's the silver and then the gray. And they're gonna be very nice to use, super high quality. They're gonna be a little more pricey, but it's definitely gonna be worth it. Let me know what you think of the Lululook tablet stand. I think it's awesome. I think it looks really nice with the other different gray, space gray accessories that I have in my setup. I think setting it right back there is gonna be awesome. I'm gonna be able to use my daily laptop as my daily driver, as well as using the Tab S7 Plus on that stand in the back with a Bluetooth keyboard and Bluetooth mouse. If you want to see more videos of these different tech that I use, make sure you check out the channel. This is the Keychron K3 keyboard, as well as the MX Master 2S mouse, and something I can't live without, the Carpio 2.0 wrist rest, which make sure you check them out. They have a new one that just came out. This basically just goes on your wrist like this. Whether you're right-handed or left-handed, they have options for you. And it helps you to not feel that carpal tunnel when you're cutting off your wrist on the edge of your desk. So it sets right there, elevates your wrist, and then you have your mouse that you're holding. So there's a lot of great accessories that go along with the Tab S7 Plus. Make sure you check out those videos in the description below, as well as on the channel. Alright, that's gonna wrap it up for my Tab S7 Plus Lululook stand. I think it's awesome. Let me know what you guys think, and if you're gonna get one or if you already have one. Make sure you subscribe for more videos about my desk setup and specifically the Lululook. With all that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video.